Take me out to the ball game in this activity combining two of our favorite sports, basketball. Use a half court, then make a rectangle using 2 cones on the baseline and 2 near half court. Here's how it looks. Divide the group into 2 teams, shooters and runners. The shooters start lined up at the free throw line with 1 ball. The runners start lined up at the cone on the far right, each with 1 ball. On your call, the first runner in line begins to sprint around the cones as the shooters start taking shots, getting their own rebounds and passing to the next teammate in line. If the runner completes a full lap before the shooters make 3 shots, it's a home run, worth 1 point.
Good, home run, girls.
But if the shooters sink 3 buckets before the runner makes it back, they're out.
Good, you're out, you're out.
Once the runners get 3 outs, they switch roles with the shooters to play a new round. This is a fun way to get players comfortable scoring under pressure. Even though the shooters are trying to score as fast as possible, they should still use proper form. Remember, there's a difference between being quick and being rushed.